We're gonna try to convert where an old tube TV used to be into something fun.
All right.
Let's start cleaning out.
We'll be
Start
back.
from the back to the front.
All right.
Hey, my old rain jacket! Man, I've been looking for this for like 6 months. Those kids.
This is Milo's old pillow from when he was like a baby.
Dude, this is under our stairs. We're gonna try to figure out what we can do with this room as well. We got all these cords everywhere.
How did that even get in here?
Hey, that
It
used
was
to
in the
hold
kitchen.
our...
Sandwiches.
Simon, where'd that come? Isn't this yours?
Yes.
Dude! All right, let's go get it. Let's put all this away. Step number 2 is...
Sweep.
let's vacuum.
Yeah. Oh, maybe I should unplug.
The next step in this journey is to take out this wall because it's too small for us to
This is heavy.
walk into. Let's go, girl.
What way do I hold it?
There you go. Go. Stop. How do we feel for power tools?
Great.
Okay. Do this. Perfect. Perfect. Let's do this other side. Now we're gonna clean all this up and start working on the floors.
We're off to Lowe's to get supplies.
I think we have to order carpet at Lowe's. So we might just buy like a big area rug and cut it to form the floors and put it on the walls as well. I know it will get frayed once I cut it. It's kind of fluffy rug. Heavy duty staple and Brad. Muscle lady bringing our rug.
Oh yeah. Oh, it smells. Oh, my shoe. Go!
We're gonna put this long stretch on that back wall and then staple it to the 2x4s.
Thanks.
We're gonna put another one on the bottom.
You mean the top?
Yeah, the top.
Looking good, looking good.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Carpet walls.
Carpet, I know. Rug walls.
It's
Rug
the same
walls.
thing. A carpet and a rug is the same thing. I want to do one.
You wanna grab some of this action? She gonna do one! She gonna do one! How did that feel? We have rug walls. Now let's move on to the next wall.
Carpet walls.
Rug walls.
Carpet walls.
Rug walls.
Comment down below if you think rugs and carpets are the same thing.
Moving on to the next wall.
Which is?
I don't know. Well, somebody got her air track and stopped helping me for the nights. Bravo. We got all of these walls and floor done.
We have these lights. These are the lights that we're gonna be using. And the carpet in this room is done. We still have to put carpet right there on that like chalkboard thing.
Just got the lights installed. I didn't do it around the door. It just didn't look right, so I just did it all the way back there. Next step on the project is to make a door for the entry. All right, just finished up the door. Let's go install it. Door complete. So right now, what I have to do is to build a contraption that'll block you seeing through the living room. Complete. All right, we found some fabric up at Hobby Lobby. Cheapest fabric I can find. We're gonna put it on this. Complete. So I got some leftover material from this screen that I'm gonna put up right here. So I think I'm gonna put it to hide all of these 2x4s and all of the stairs around here. Gonna take some maneuvering. Sorry, typical gamers in the background that my kids are watching. Got it.
Why are you taping the door?
Because we're gonna paint it different colors. We're gonna paint it white, black, white, black, white, black, white, black.
That'll look ratchet. Oh, I didn't even brush my hair this morning.
I'm trying to blend this door in with the wall, and I'm not a very good craftsman, so. All right, we want to be done? Let me do it.
Yeah. We got the white done. Now we're gonna tape it all up again and paint it black.
She really wants to tear off this blue tape. It is dried, and this is the last thing of our project. It is done.
So satisfying.
The door to the dungeon is complete. Thanks for watching our makeover video of this useless space that we made into usable space. We actually made it in a Star Wars theme because, I mean, why not? If you like more of these videos, comment below and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!